Halo, apa kabar semua? Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking deep fried chicken with spicy sambal. So come, let's join Aunty. Hello friends. So these are the chicken part that Aunty already prepared. This is chicken wing. I have chicken butts. And also I have chicken feet. This is pre-cooked chicken feet. So this will be the menu for today. So stay tuned guys. As I go on with this, I'm gonna marinate this with all the ingredients. Alright, so these are the ingredients I'm gonna use to marinate that. This one is wheat flour. I have 7 spoons of wheat flour, and I have 3 spoons of rice flour, and I have 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn. I'm going to pound later. And I have 4 cloves of garlic, and then 1 shallot, an inch of ginger, and these are the spices I'm gonna use. This is fennel, and this one is coriander. One tablespoon each. So of course there will be salt and ajinomoto to taste. So stay tuned guys. Alright, so these are the pounded ingredient: the garlic, ginger, and shallot, and also black peppercorn. This one I want to mix it first. This is fennel, 1 tablespoon of fennel, and 1 tablespoon of coriander, about 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ajinomoto. Alright, and I already crushed 1 egg. Beat it first. Okay, mix it well first. Alright, well mixed already. Then I add in this flour. This is wheat flour and this one is rice flour. We all mix it together. I like to use rice flour when I deep fry food because it will make it crispy and crunchy. It tastes good. Alright. And a little bit of cooking oil. Okay, that's it. And we mix it. Add a bit of water. So that it will coated. Okay. Okay, so these are the chicken butts and chicken wing and chicken feet. I'm going to deep fry this. Later on, I leave this to marinate for about, leave it to rest for about half an hour. I got add a bit of light sauce for the coloring and for the taste. Okay, we put in the cooking oil. This is for frying, eh? Let's start cooking. First of all, I put in the rice flour into the cooking oil so that it avoid sticky. Chicken wing first. Okay, we turn it. Beautiful. Chicken feet. So friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Deep fried chicken with spicy sambal. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. May God bless all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.